back to my channel. So I am very excited. I literally just got home from work. I went and checked my mail today, and a package that I have been waiting on since January has finally arrived. I literally ordered this in January, but I wanted to do like an unboxing. I haven't done one of those yet on my channel, so here is the item. So nerdy. Luxurious Lifestyle Planner by Arnita Johnson Hall. So I'm gonna open it, and I'm really excited. This planner is, like it says, lifestyle planner. Has budgeting in there, has like the little money envelopes. Like, I'm gonna show y'all gonna see, hold on. So I'm really excited about this planner because it took 4 months to get here. I ordered it in January. I literally was pinging the lady on Instagram like, hey, did the mail, come out yet? Did the orders come out yet? She was like, no, it was a pre-sale, so you have to wait until March. Ooh, so it took 2 months after it was delivered in March to get here. Anywho, I'm super excited. Shipping. Ooh, look at it. Oh, it's a box though. Let me take the box out the box. It's a box in a box. It is heavy. Luxurious Lifestyle Planner. Like I said, it has the envelopes, treat yourself, vacation, entertainment, household goods, ties, splurge, emergency fund, stash, savings, lunch money, coffee, gas, miscellaneous, goodness, date night, groceries, gifts, slay, hair, beauty, nails. This is, so I've been waiting for this. This is dope. She has a nice thank you card. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't even know if I had it in focus. Thank you for following us to be a part of your luxurious planning journey. This is her. I don't know if y'all can see the cards clear earlier. Get in focus. These are them. So dope. Okay. Stickers for the months and days. Oh, there's some other stuff in there. Appointments, it's payday. Oh, it came with a pen. So dope. All right, this is the planner. So pretty! My favorite color! Open it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at it. Alright, so this is a good angle. She began to live the luxurious life she dreamed of. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I live for a planner. The monthly expenses part in here. Debt-free worksheet. Don't let a rich heart cause you to have poor pockets. Finance tips, your grocery shopping list, meal planner. Having the money to buy something doesn't mean you can't afford it. Having enough to be able to buy it twice does. I said that in one of my videos. Oh, yeah, I'm excited. Look at this. And you can put a little your envelopes in here. Can't, my nails. Oh, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. So that's all I got for you guys today. I just wanted to show this unboxing of this amazing planner. I'm so excited. I will put all the details below. Be sure to join the Juju gang. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bells, like this video, comments, or whatever questions you guys may have. But yeah, I'm excited. Isn't it cute? Like, it just makes you like want to get your life together, and live this luxurious lifestyle. And I'm ready for all of it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one.